Here we are, 8 years in the making. From my 22nd birthday at Psycho Susie's, where you first met, to today, on the hills of Tuscany, where you'll unite in marriage. I'm honored to be a part of your story and stand beside you today as you formalize your commitments to each other, to continue to love and support each other. Marriage is perhaps the greatest and most challenging adventure of human relationships. No ceremony can create your marriage. Only you can do that through love, patience, through dedication and perseverance, through talking and listening, helping and supporting and believing in each other, through tenderness and laughter, through learning to forgive, learning to appreciate your differences, and by learning to make the important things matter and to let go of the rest. And now, I'll turn it over to you two to share your vows and promises as you evolve in your partnership as husband and wife.
When I asked Joshlyn to marry me, it was at our first date spot, which was at the Como Conservatory. And I took her back there, and I actually had reserved to shut down the place and reserve it out. And the funny thing is, she was kind of suspicious in a way, but didn't really put two and two together until it was closing time and they're kicking everyone out. And I'm like, hey, just hang out for a second. And then I brought her into the conservatory, which was shut down for us. And then she knew. I had some music playing, and when I had walked in, she knew what was going on. So it was pretty surreal and a wonderful moment because I could bring it back full circle back to when we had our first date.
We met at Psycho Susie's. It was July 2011, and I saw him across the room, and I immediately felt an attraction, and then we started talking, hanging out, and yeah, that's how we first met. We just loved to go on adventures together, and we thought we'd do something special in terms of location. I love Italy. My family is Italian. And Tuscany has natural beauty, and it's one of the best places in the world, in my opinion.
Joshlyn, you have been one of the best influences in my life as a best friend, lover, and now my very soon-to-be wife. As we are now going to be officially partners in crime together, I am beyond belief that this day has finally come. As we've grown together over the years, and since the first time I met you, thanks to Roy, I immediately knew that you were different. I remember the first time I asked you out on a date and was ecstatic that we clicked so well, and today I am honored, thrilled, and ready to promise my love to you forever.
I don't remember a lot of first encounters, but the moment I met you, I'll never forget. It changed my life. It's 2011 at Psycho Susie's, and I see a cute Korean boy with the most charming smile across the room. I was giddy when you approached me, and I've never been so enchanted by anyone until you. Since then, we've had a lot of adventures, and have built an incredible life together. Some days, I wake up next to you, the cats, and I wonder how I got so lucky. And I wonder what I've done in past life to deserve your love in this life with you. I'm the best person I can be, and so much of that is because of our relationship. You push me to be better and remind me of what I'm capable of if I ever have any doubts.
Being adopted, I have been blessed with a wonderful family, mentors, and friends. These people in my life has led me to be comfortable enough to try and find my own birth parents in Korea. We went to Korea together, and you helped me try and find my birth parents. That was really special to me. Although we never found them, I had an epiphany in that moment
with you. I might not have found my birth parents, but instead I have founded my own family and future wife, who is there with me in that very special moment.
Oh my gosh. You are gorgeous. Oh my god. You're beautiful.
I'm so excited to see what we will make of this life together. Thank you for your unwavering love and companionship. I love you, Chad Olson, Kim Count.